Hi, let me take you through our digital transformation journey. Our transformation story begins in the year 2017, a year that we experienced unprecedented growth. We did a 360 review of our manufacturing process flow, focusing on our digital footprint and our decision-making process. Very quickly, we realized that we are facing a couple of key challenges, such as data were not clean because the data were typically gathered by technicians and keyed into database manually, an error-prone process. Data from productions and suppliers were not stored systematically into our servers. In many cases, these servers were not connected to our production database. Databases were not structured to allow engineers to systematically analyze the relationship between problems and root cause. Decisions were made with very limited data. Collaboration between teams were always very challenging, as each team were using data stored in their personal computers. They are not linked. Extremely time-consuming process of collecting data from different sources. Our conclusion was, we must transform and we must transform fast. We embarked on this journey with a strong belief that the way we collect, analyze and use data have a huge impact on an individual and organization behavior. This behavior will have a strong influence on the way teams and individuals collaborate and solve problems, which will result in significant improvement in overall business performance. Our journey began with a series of value stream mapping workshops to review existing operation flow and processes to identify what needs to stop and what needs to start. Our management teams also play a vital role in these VSM workshops by prioritizing the business goal while operation team align key performance indicators. The team focused on connecting the dots between processes and decision making. We delve deep into what decision were made at each decision point and what data are needed to support this decision. Data source and data structure were part of the consideration. Our data come from multiple sources, namely from our in-house assembly line through our manufacturing execution system, NUS in short, data from our automation line, data from our ERP system, and data from our supplier. K&S uses a data warehouse via cloud to consolidate and process large amount of data from various sources at near real-time condition. The cloud platform is a cost-effective way and secure way of meeting these needs. Once data are captured and processed, our users such as production managers, manufacturing engineers, and quality engineers can access this data at real time to support their decision-making process. K&S rely heavily on state-of-the-art visualization tool to support this decision-making process. In addition to data visualization, we also invested heavily into anomaly detection of our critical parameter. K&S uses the data in cloud to create KPI and link these KPI into our business goal. KPIs such as labor hours, yield, and defects per units are aligned and linked to quality, productivity, and cost goal. Data visualization software create a user-friendly, real-time dashboard, allowing stakeholders from multiple functional teams to access data, monitor, and take action if necessary. The teams held regular meetings to collaborate, solve problems, and explore new ideas. The data visualization software power our KPI dashboards are the focal point. These KPI dashboards provide a concise overall operational big picture. Engineer uses this real-time dashboard to drill down to the root of the issues and to make decisions or trigger corrective actions. Behind the scene, data from suppliers and in-house processes are automatically sent to the cloud. A series of automated algorithms developed by our data engineers were inserted into our data warehouse, thereby allowing the algorithms to detect anomalies automatically. Anomalies such as unusual trends and out of specification conditions. Alert will be automatically sent to process owner and supplier once anomalies are flagged by the algorithms. The anomalies are color-coded for easy visualization, and thus preventing defective products from flowing to our customers, saving time and avoiding costs. We are currently in close collaboration with National University of Singapore in developing a platform and system using machine learning as the tool to support our decision-making process. Together, We have made significant progress in empowering our engineers using machine learning in predicting critical aspects of our manufacturing process. Let's take a look.
K&S and NUS team presents an integrated solution of machine learning predictive analytics and root cause analysis. We have developed a full suite of tools to help drive real-time decision making in a production environment. Data is collected in the early stages of the production process and fed into a machine learning model to predict the final product quality. Our real-time monitoring helps to trigger alerts on unusual events. It begins by predicting the values of critical measurements. We will monitor the trends of these critical measurements, and an alert will be triggered when there is an unusual event. To understand the cause of the event, we will then use diagnostic tools. Our tool will help us to interpret important features for each machine. The features are then ranked according to their influence on the predicted results, and these feature values can also be compared to its historical distribution. The engineers can therefore use these diagnostics to take a targeted corrective action. The standard industry practice right now is to analyze the root cause only after observing failures, but with the new tools in K&S, we are able to forecast the issues and identify the causes using an explainability algorithm. So this helps the company take proactive and targeted approach to save time and cost.